Welcome back, biology scholars. This is the second video tutorial for the Biology Evolution Research Project. There are 3 videos in this series. The previous video introduced you to library resources and the library website. In this video, you will learn how to find information for your research project. We will look at several different ways that you can search on the library website. We will also look at ways to narrow down your search results. When searching, I will focus on something called EDS, or EBSCO Discovery Service. As in the previous video, you will answer several review questions at the end of the tutorial. Ms. Markman will monitor your viewership and read your answers to the review questions. We are back at the library homepage. I'm going to highlight several different ways to search for information through the library website. In class, you'll practice searching for resources in small groups with guidance from Ms. Markman, Mrs. Knight, and me. Now I'm going to show you how to search in EDS, or EBSCO Discovery Service. We sometimes refer to this as just Discovery for short. EDS allows you to search the majority of library resources simultaneously in a single interface, and you can see the results displayed in one unified list. So when you search in EDS, you'll be searching the contents of our catalog, Pelicat, which contains print books as well as videos and DVDs, and you will also be searching for ebooks and the contents of almost all of our 50-plus databases, which include articles, music, and images. In other words, you'll be searching almost everything we have available through the library. EDS can be a great starting point when searching for resources. However, you'll get a lot of results when you search. We'll talk about ways to limit these results so that you can find relevant material quickly. You can access the EDS search box on the library homepage or through our subscription databases list by looking under EDS. Note that there are 3 tabs here. The Books tab only searches the library catalog Pelicat. The Journal tab searches periodical titles and outlines which database holds each title, including coverage dates. The Discovery tab searches all of EDS, including books, ebooks, and the contents of our various databases. Let's look at an example search in EDS. I'm going to enter the terms homologous structures into the search box. I can then click on Search or Enter. This is called a keyword search. This is a very broad search. It means I'm searching for occurrences of the 2 words homologous and structures anywhere in the contents of the materials available. The results will be automatically ranked by relevance as determined by an algorithm or series of calculations performed by EDS. As you can see, I get a huge number of results, over 720,000, simply because I'm searching an enormous repository of information. Therefore, it's essential that I think of ways to limit or narrow down the number of results. Pause for a moment right now to think of strategies you think I could use to obtain a more manageable targeted list of results. Did you think of any strategies? You may have noticed this menu on the left-hand side of my screen. For instance, Limit To, Available in Library Collection, Peer-Reviewed, Catalog Only, Source Types, Academic Journals, Books, Reviews, Subject, Publisher, and so forth. One thing I might want to do right off the bat is limit the publication dates to items published in the last 5 years. So I will enter 2012 to 2017. Then I can just click to update my results. Now I have over 150,000 results, which is still far too many. I could also limit by source types. If I click on Show More, I can see a full list of source types. There are many different kinds available. So maybe I want to focus just on ebooks, about 3,800. I will click in the box and click on Update. So I still have a lot of results, over 3,800. But now I might go one step further, and I might click on Subject. I will click on Show More to see a full list. Now I will click on Evolution, Biology, in the box, and click on Update. So now I have narrowed my results down from over 720,000 to just 28. This is a much more manageable and targeted list of results. Searching by subject can be very helpful when trying to narrow your search results. You can also try using different keywords when you search. This can often be another very helpful technique. The techniques I just demonstrated can be used when searching many different types of resources, including databases and library catalogs. In class, you will practice searching for resources for your own project. Now that you know more about how to search for materials through the library website, and also how to narrow down your search results, you're ready to move on to the next video, which will teach you how to evaluate information for your project. Don't forget to answer the review questions.